Alright guys, so we are at 7% of battery life on my Samsung Note 9. I've been running this device since yesterday at 9 a.m. and now it is tomorrow, which is today. It is 1 and 11 a.m. right now. So I've been running this for almost, I think, 16 hours. And I'm almost pretty much dead. My battery life, I've got 7% left. And here's my status once again, if you guys want to know. I am using the Snapdragon, not the Exynos. So let's go straight to our battery usage here. Where is that device? Maintenance. Check battery. And boom. There we are, guys. So estimated battery life, 55 minutes left. And recent battery usage, we are currently on 16 hours and 12 minutes. So that's how long I've been using my device since yesterday, which started at 9 a.m. And on screen time, wow, look at that, guys. 6 hours and 3 minutes. Wow, that is very, very impressive. And let's scroll down here. Okay, so as usual, I've been using my Navigon, 34 minutes. If you guys haven't used any GPS app, you know how GPS apps, they freaking just abuse the battery life of your device. So majority of my battery life drainage was coming from that specific app right there, Navigon. And then YouTube, I was using it for 2 hours and 12 minutes. Facebook, 37 minutes. Voice call, 19 minutes. Email, 23 minutes. And for some reason, my Spotify app here is not even loaded. But anyways, my last... Okay, anyways, the last time I saw the Spotify here, the usage I was using it for was roughly around 1 hour and 20 minutes, I think. That was the last time I saw the usage of it. But anyways, guys, man, I'm so impressed with the battery life on the Note 9. I was pretty much somewhat abusing the battery life today. I wanted to see if I could kill the battery before I head to bed, which is anytime soon now. But look at that, guys. Impressive, impressive. So I'll show you guys some more of my status here, my settings. I've got the screen display below 50%. And I've got the high performance activated, Dolby Atmos, S Pen remote. And then I got the Wi-Fi activated when I'm at home or at work. And then when I'm on the road, I was using my data, LTE. And of course, those are my other settings there. And yeah, so for the viewers out there who are still thinking and debating if it's worth the upgrade from the Note 8, just based on battery life, my answer is go for it, guys. Go for it. You will love this device just for the battery itself. It will definitely last you throughout the day. If I didn't use the GPS on this, I think I would have lasted even longer than this, guys. But anyways, let's just wait if my Spotify will pop out here. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, well anyways, that is just my quick review, guys, on my battery life on the Note 9 in real world usage. And yeah, so once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.